Hi everyone, welcome to my first study with me. Today I'm taking biology notes, and the first thing I always do is check unit outline. And today we are focusing on biomes as well as relationships between species. And I always love to highlight when I'm reading the textbook because just for me as a read-write learner, I can't really learn or retain information when I haven't actively read. So yeah, I'm just doing that here with my Fuji highlighters. And since I didn't have a whole lot of time on this weekend morning, I'm simply focusing on the things that were on the outline and going through the bolded terms. For example, these few pages here were about climate, so I kind of just went through them quickly. But then here, this is about biomes, as I said before, so I tried to pay attention and read everything more thoroughly. Okay, so we're now finally at the actual notes. Here's my supplies: Staedtler Tri-Plus fine liners, Muji gel ink pens, Crayola twistable colored pencils, and for notes I just use a plain and simple Bic ballpoint pen. The first thing I always do is write the title, and unfortunately I'm not gifted in hand lettering or fancy things like that, like all those amazing study blurs and studygrams, so I've just been doing this really easy flag header for a few years now, and I've got it down. And the date, because I just like to look back at my notes and laugh at myself. And to make this flag look nice, it's very easy. You just need to color it horizontally on the ends and then a little angled shading in the middle. I think that one of the most important things to do when you're taking notes from a textbook is to not simply copy down everything word for word from the textbook. So what I do here is I will go back to those bolded terms I highlighted, I'll write it down, and then I'll think of the definition in my head without writing it down yet, and I can check back at the textbook to see if it's right, but then I will write it down without looking at the textbook once again. This way you are actively studying, and the process itself of taking notes, not just the notes itself, will help you. And of course, it's super fun to include visuals in your notes. I would advise doing this not simply for aesthetic, but only including images that truly help you retain information. Usually that would be charts, diagrams, things like that. And if you make a mistake, like I just did, it's totally okay to white it out. I feel like with the study blur, studygram culture, all these people have like perfect handwriting and perfect looking notes. Personally, I think a simple, neat spread can look very appealing and be very useful. I hope you found this study with me useful and maybe it gave you some motivation. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. Until next time.